The Innisfree Green Tea Ceramide Mist is one of those products that doesn't promise unrealistic results. And that's honestly why it works well for the right skin type. It's a lightweight facial mist designed mainly for hydration and skin barrier support, especially when your skin feels dry, tight, irritated, or dehydrated from weather. A, C, retinol, or over-cleansing. The mist itself is very fine and settles quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy layer, which makes it easy to use multiple times during the day, even over makeup. The formula focuses heavily on hydration and barrier repair ingredients. Green tea ceramides help strengthen the skin barrier and reduce moisture loss, which is useful if your skin gets sensitive or flaky easily. The 9 types of hyaluronic acid give layered hydration, so skin feels instantly fresher and more plump instead of just wet for a few minutes. Squalane adds a soft, moisturizing effect without feeling heavy, making it comfortable even in humid weather like Lahore summers where thick creams can feel suffocating. It also helps calm rough or irritated patches around the nose, cheeks, or chin. Usage is simple and flexible. After cleansing, you can spray 2 to 3 pumps directly onto the face as a hydrating toner step and gently pat it in. It absorbs very quickly. It also works well throughout the day whenever skin starts feeling dry or dull, especially in air-conditioned rooms or after sun exposure. If you use active ingredients like retinol, exfoliating acids, or vitamin C, spraying this afterward can help reduce that tight, irritated feeling. Because it's not an exfoliating or treatment mist, you can comfortably use it several times a day without overdoing it. What makes this mist genuinely good is that it does exactly what it claims. Quick hydration, soothing comfort, and light barrier support without stickiness. It won't treat acne, fade pigmentation, or completely transform your skin overnight. But for dry, sensitive, dehydrated, or barrier-damaged skin, it's a reliable, everyday product that feels refreshing and easy to use.